Carter, what are you doing?
I'm getting baby some food.
Some cereal for his first time tonight?
Yeah. Baby's lips are getting dirty.
Do you think he likes it?
I see. Baby Kason. Baby Case. Baby Case.
Look at him eating it. Hi, Kason.
Hi, Kason Johnny. Hi, Kason Johnny. Kason Johnny. Kason John.
Looking like a cat.
Kason John.
He doesn't know how to work that tongue yet.
Kason John. I got surprise for you.
He's got Bella down here licking his hands. Oh, Bella.
Oh, Belle. Oh, Belle, oh, Belle, Case.